The fish consistently orient themselves toward the familiar owner on the left, showing a clear lack of interest in the unfamiliar researcher on the right.
You see, they always come to me.
Yes, that is consistent with the hypothesis.
They know their owner.
Here we observe a remarkable connection. The fish recognize their caretaker, proving their capacity for facial recognition and learning.
For centuries, we have dismissed the fish swimming in our homes and oceans as simple creatures, beings of instinct, driven solely by hunger and survival, with memories that last no longer than 3 seconds. This persistent myth has relegated them to the background of our consciousness, mere ornaments in a glass world. But recent breakthroughs in behavioral science are shattering that assumption. Behind those unblinking eyes lies a cognitive ability that forces us to reconsider everything we thought we knew about life beneath the waterline. The question is no longer if fish think, but rather who they are thinking about.
Groundbreaking studies conducted by researchers at the University of Oxford and various ethological institutes have delivered a definitive verdict. Fish can, in fact, recognize individual human faces. In controlled experiments, species such as archerfish and dancelfish were trained to spit water at specific targets. Yet the most startling revelation occurred when researchers introduced human figures into their environment. The fish consistently demonstrated an uncanny ability to distinguish between the face of their regular caretaker and that of a complete stranger, even when the humans wore identical clothing and exhibited similar movements. This is not a simple reaction to food cues or the sound of footsteps. What makes this discovery truly remarkable is the biological constraint. A fish's brain lacks a neocortex, the region mammals rely upon for complex visual processing. Despite this, fish have evolved an alternative neural pathway that allows them to process and memorize intricate patterns, shapes, and contrast ratios. They are reading the geometry of your cheekbones, the symmetry of your eyes, and the unique contours of your jawline. For an aquarium fish that sees you every day, your face becomes a deeply familiar landmark, a visual anchor representing safety, sustenance, and interaction. For the aquarium hobbyist, this translates to a profound reality. When you approach the glass, you are not merely a blurry shadow to your pet. You are a distinct individual, recognized and anticipated. Your fish may dart to the surface not out of blind reflex, but out of genuine recognition of your presence. This research calls upon us to abandon the antiquated notion of fish as forgetful automatons. In recognizing us, they invite us to recognize them as sentient, responsive, and socially aware partners in a shared environment. The next time you peer into that watery world, remember, they are looking right back, and they know exactly who you are. You can find links to the AI applications I use in the description. Be sure to check them out. They're all free. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment, and share the video.